installing a back door threshold. And this is called a butt threshold because it will butt up against the door. You get a little strip that goes in there. It's the same as your weather stripping around your door. What you want to do is get yourself a screwdriver and a small hammer, and once you have it cut, just slide it into place and close your door. And then you want to make sure that you leave about the thickness of the screw between the door and the threshold. If you have to move it out some, just having to screw in a little bit to pry it out. Unless you have a new door. And then you just take your screws and you're just going to screw it down into the piece of oak that we have installed. Now, this slants some. What we'll do afterwards is you just take a skill saw and trim that off, and it'll be all fine. And that's how you would install a back door threshold.